What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, spent $2,000 today, guys. $2,000 on freaking tires. Damn, bro, that shit's crazy, bro. $2,000 on tires. Michelin Cup 2s, BMW Star spec for the M4 GTS. As you guys know, I need tires really bad all around. We cannot be driving like that anymore, guys. I'm sick and tired of it. I can't mob it. I can't go on like canyon runs. I can't do stuff like that. So pulled the trigger and we bought tires. So right now, I'm trying to charge my phone real quick. Right now, we are gonna go to the tire shop and my bad, guys. I was checking the message. Like I said, right now we're gonna go to the tire shop. We're gonna meet up with the homie Nikon with the M8, and we're gonna get these tires installed. And then after that, I gotta shoot a Range Rover that got delivered out in the Pacific Palisades area. Go to the customer's house, take pictures, video, blah, blah, blah. And then we'll see what we get into for the rest of today's video. But for now, let's go to the tire shop. Let's check out the tires and let's get these babies installed. I'm excited, guys. Let's go. I haven't even been able to post any POVs or do any POVs because of the tires, how bad they are. And like I said, we're finally gonna get them installed. Finally getting new tires. I'm excited, guys. I love driving with no burbles, guys. You just hear the sound of the car. See, right now it'd be burbling. Once you put it in Sport Plus, then the burbles come out. For all you FAX owners, or I guess BMW owners, you guys driving with burbles or no burbles? I honestly prefer the no burbles. It just sounds cleaner, I think. All the burble boys, where you at? All right, guys. I think we made it. It's in here. Jeez. Look at that, guys. Fresh Cup 2s. Damn. I'm excited. My tires were bad. Yeah. There you guys have it. Brand new Cup 2s for the GTS. But look at that, guys. As soon as I came in, they started working on it right away. But these tires are done, guys. I'm telling you, no more. I could not keep driving with these freaking tires. It's really bad. Especially like it's been raining so much and like just the weather's a little bit colder now. So we definitely need new tires. Look at that. Oh my. I can't wait until we get the new tires on. I need to start making more content. We need to do more POVs. We need to go on more drives. I miss going on canyon runs with the GTS. I haven't been able to do that with the GTS, obviously, because of the tires. And I don't know why I lagged it, honestly, to get new tires. I should have just did it a long time ago, right when they were getting done. But I always like to wait last minute, guys, to swap out stuff or do stuff. I'm a procrastinator, which is really bad. I shouldn't be a procrastinator. I gotta be on top of my shit. So the next time I lag on something, guys, comment down below. Give me shit for it. Yell at me, comment down below. Say, Kevin, you're lagging it. Don't be dumb, don't be stupid. So anyways, we're waiting for the homie Nikon to pull up. And then I think we gotta do something for one of his cars. And then we gotta go to Pacific Palisades and shoot this Range Rover. And I think we might go to, there's like a Valley BMW M thing, like a little photo shoot cruise going on. We might pull up to that. I'm gonna try to get Nick to come out and see if we can do that. And do this little photo shoot and cruise that they planned out. So I think it's only gonna be M, so that should be dope. You can see they already got 2 of the tires off. Damn, look at those beautiful carbon ceramic brakes. Sheesh. Them things look beautiful. Oh my gosh, bro. Gotta love the CCBs. You know what's crazy, guys? I told myself, if I got another car, like a sports car, it has to have, for sure, carbon ceramic brakes, and for sure it needs Alcantara steering wheel. I cannot drive without those 2 things, like on a sports car. I know it sounds stupid, but once you get once you've had a car for years, like my E92, my E92 has the Alcantara steering wheel from factory, and just driving that car for years with Alcantara, and then like the GTS comes with Alcantara, it's just like a different ball game. Like you don't want to drive another sports car with like leather steering wheel. Like it just feels weird. It feels, I don't know, nasty. And then also the CCBs, like the E92 doesn't come with carbon ceramic brakes, so when I'm braking on that car, like it just feels terrible. When I'm in the GTS though, and I'm braking like, damn, bro, that's just crazy. Carbon ceramic brakes are a game changer. They are expensive, guys. They're like $8,000, $10,000 option, but it's so freaking worth it, guys, to get carbon ceramic brakes. Like if I were to get a GAX, for sure it'd have to have buckets, lasers, and carbon ceramics, and Alcantara steering wheel if that option's in there. But I think like the M4 CSL and the G80 M3 CS come with Alcantara steering wheel, and I think you can spec it out on the G80 M3 CS with carbon ceramic brakes, but for sure it needs laser lights, buckets, carbon ceramics, and Alcantara steering wheel. Rich Uber in the M8. Oh, we big balling today. All right, guys. Well, we're heading out. Oh my God. Where are we going, Nikon? What do we got to do? Why are you dragging me? So we went from the M8
to the iPhone.
You never driven one of these? Bro, if you floor, these shits are quick. You gotta like do it on a nice straightaway.
I feel like the brakes don't stop, bro.
No CCBs, G.
Nothing in this bitch, G.
That shit's fast, huh? Floor it? Oh my God. You think it smoked that M8 or no?
Nah.
Nikon, it's your M8, G. Damn. That shit looks hard though, rolling.
It looks so sexy.
Damn. This is the Range Rover we're gonna be shooting for today. It's British Racing Green. You can't, I don't think you can tell right now in the vlog, but it's got a deep green to it. That's pretty sick. That's sick. We're gonna use this driveway right here. So I'm gonna have them back it up, and we're gonna have these gates open, and then we'll get the car. But damn, that shit fire, bro. Autobiography, long wheelbase too, rich. All right, guys, well, that wraps up the shoot for today. British Racing Green, Range Rover Autobiography, long wheelbase, so freaking clean. Damn. Damn, that shit fire though. What would you guys take, yours, G-Wag, or Range Rover? All right, guys, so some time has passed. As you can see, it is now nighttime, but fresh new tires are on the GTS, finally. Oh my gosh, bro. New tires are looking good. Check that out, guys. Brand new. We ready, bro. Ready for the streets. We are back, guys. Gotta let the tires warm up. Starting to warm up a little bit better. Look who pulled up on us, guys. Sheesh. Finding cops? He's got the blue, red theme going on. Sheesh. So anyway, we out here at the homie Nikon's. We're gonna go to this car meet, and then we might get gelato after once again. Where's orange? Orange. Let me see orange.
Is there like an orange one that moves? I don't think they like orange like that. That's why.
Shut up.
Actually, I don't think they have orange at all.
They do have orange. Yes, they do. Of course they do.
It's because who the heck likes orange?
Shut up, bro. Why are you always hating, G? Where's orange?
Oh yeah, sorry, G. I think they took it out.
Yeah. Look at that. Orange. Guys, we made it to the meet, parked up right here. As you can see, already a bunch of BMWs, F90s, G80s, F80s. Sheesh. Damn, look at the M8 bagged. San Marino blue. Bro, that shit looks long as shit. We got an M8, another M8 Grand Coupe, individual Nardo Gray. Sheesh. With the buckets. Red bucket seats too. Damn. Shit, guys, they got all the M8s lined up. Gee, this is who you need to be kicking it with, bro.
No.
The M8 boys. This fool's got car parts on deck, bro.
Deck.
The fuck?
FaceTime.
Anyways, you can see G80, M3 CS, the homie Adris, F90 M5, another F90 M5, another F90 M5, X4M, more BMWs. These are the headlights I want to do, guys. See, if you go with OEM, you can switch out the color. This on the GTS would go crazy. It would go insane. What is this?
I try to make a
For who? Finding Dick?
Boys.
Oh shit, that is pretty clean. That is pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. CS style?
Yeah.
CS? That's just sick.
You don't the headlights for my car.
Another G82 pulled up. Oh, how does that make you feel, bro?
All the above.
We've got a clean G82, frozen black. Damn, this shit nice. And it's got bucket seats with the orange interior. That's hard. Damn, those are nice color on the wheel too. Look at that. With laser lights. Then we got the homie John with his F83 Silverstone, clean M4. Damn. Lime Rock spec? Rich?
KG spec?
Hermes? I need this whole fit. I need that fit and take a picture of my E92.
Let's go.
And I need his hat.
I'll rent it out to you.
Damn, all the homies are rolling out. Sheesh. All the M5 boys leaving?